What is going on, guys? Welcome in this brand new video about how to buy the NCT PolySwarm coin on Coinbase. So for the first step, we will log into our Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account yet, click the link in the description to get some extra benefits while signing up for a Coinbase account. So once you have done this, log into your account and you will arrive at this homepage. And for the first step, we are going to use the search bar right on top, and we will tick in NCT, and there you can see the PolySwarm NCT coin. So click it, and now you will see this page. As you can see, currently the pricing is going down, but if you look at the long term, there's still some quite good price movements to take advantage of. And once you have decided how much money you want to spend on this coin, just tick in the amount over here. It's very simple. And now you can see we are receiving 35,000 NCT coins, PolySwarm coins. So you can choose also your payment method over here. For now, I will leave it on my credit card. And as you can see, we can click review order. Once you have done this, there is an option popping up on saving trading fee. Trading fee is basically a fee to buy the coins, and the trading fee can be quite high, like this one, 38 euros or dollars, what your currency is at the moment. And if you want to save this amount, there's an option to use the Coinbase One subscription, and you can use it free for 7 days. So definitely try that out, especially if you buy a lot of crypto and you already have saved 38 euros. So that is a lot, especially if you buy these amounts of crypto every day or every week, then it's very useful. For the next step, we just simply click on buy now, and these coins, these will be added to my assets on the left. I hope this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely see you in the next one. Cheers, guys. Bye bye.